Dear friends, welcome to my channel Visa Queries. The topic for today's video is probable questions in an F1 visa interview. Part 1, Education. What is the name of the college you are joining? What course have you selected? Why did you select this college? How many universities did you apply to? How many selections did you get? Names of the universities you were selected in. What is the name of your last school or university and what subject did you study? What are your career prospects in your home country after completing your proposed education in the United States? Part 2, Financing. How will you be paying for your education? Show us the documentary proof of adequate funds for funding the full education. Part 3, Family. What is your father and mother's occupation? What is their current annual income? Do you have any family member or relative living in the United States? What is their visa status? Part 4, Occupation. Do you have any job offer in your hand which you can join after completing your education in the United States? Part 5, Intention to return. What is your marital status? What is the occupation of your spouse? Do you have any children? Why did you select the United States to pursue further education? Will you be returning to your home country after completing your education in the United States? What is your motivation to return to your home country after completing your education in the United States? Have you visited any other country in the last 5 years? And what was the purpose of the visit? In case your visa is rejected, what is your alternative plan? Will you be visiting your home country during summer vacations or any other holidays? Kindly note these are broad questions only. Depending upon your answers to these questions, many other questions can come up. You can also be asked to produce documentation supporting any of the answers given by you. Thank you.